Good morning, today's February 6th, 2019, and today's refinishing project is located in Livermore, California. Okay, so today we're going to be refinishing this shower here. It's just a standard, typical master bathroom fiberglass shower unit. The shower doors and tracks have been removed. The floor in this shower is really bad. There's a lot of damage down here. A lot of cracks, as you can see here. So we're going to be repairing all of this and refinishing it in a color white for this customer. Alright, so this is the job for today. We'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we finished up the shower here in Livermore, California. Let's have a look. Floor was a lot of work, a lot of cracks. So we used the fiberglass resin and repaired all the cracks down there. Turned out really nice. Shower doors will be installed next week on this one, and after that it's ready for use. There we are. So if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.